Tibesh, awuna mangibona wena kanje. Ngiyazi ukuthi hayi yonke into ihlangene.
Awuthemba, ongayithula.
The usual.
Azibuke ngekho mnandi man. Yini right?
Awuthemba, wayunginakile so. Lana ngidela ukuthenga tshwala nginazo yena.
Hayi ukuthi angikwazi kanje man. That's why ngibuza ukuthi yonke into right.
Xola nakuduma.
The best man fana kama nabe Afix suka kama hoodies Esvara na rikona tende Ayeni kungasale na unga From 2010 loku mbatwala Yanamhlanje sase iyo lenda The best man fana kama nabe Lewa mjana ya style Girls ta shake dia reverse Ikaw Phela la leka tuwa utela Faki mali fane gitu sobona I got a style short and take a strong gas. Twala mina na make twala wena boss. I got a style short and take a strong gas. Twala mina na make twala wena clever. I got a style short and take a strong gas. Twala mina na make twala wena boss. I got a style short and take a strong gas. Twala mina na make twala wena.
You know what, Tenasam? I'm worried about Precious.
Oh, Linda.
Your friend. Uzakuphula inhliziyo yechomi yami.
Hayi kahle yazi ngikhulumile naye uThabani wangithembisa nje ukuthi uqedile le ndaba kubayiplay so uzobheka na Precious kuphela.
Oh, okay.
Wait. Oh, speaking of the devil.
Hayibo. Answer your phone, babe.
Like ngemazi uzofuna ukuthi sihambe siyophuza sidakwe. Kodwa namhlanje mina I just feel like spending time with my babe.
Hi, Precious. Uzazela? Ngithe kuwe hamba.
Bathentabani, yakadwa uthi. Why we get such a But anyway, I'm ready.
Huh? You're joking, right, baby?
I'm joking.
Yes. Oh, my precious woman. Really.
You're my baby. There's a condom.
Wow. Precious. Ufuna ukuthini kahle kahle yini? Trust. Precious. Uyangidoubt.
No, baby.
Hayi. Sasanivetha yakho uphuma uhambe.
What if I get pregnant?
Will you make sure?
I'm sure.
I'm sure. Yeah.
Wow.
I mean, my first time was supposed to be beautiful. Not with someone who's strong like you.
Ufuna ukuthini kahle kahle? Awuvaka kumnandi?
No, it was painful.
Precious. Go home.
No, baby. Don't worry. Maybe next time we'll be okay.
Hey. Ngeke kuzokube next time la never. Satha lokho liphenda inyanga lakho lana uphuma hamba.
Hey, but Taba needs me, Precious.
Hey. Ligama lakho mina ngiyalazi kwe pressure ngani. So mina ngithi kuwe phuma hamba la wasaphinza ubuye manje ngiva na.
Okay, no. Okay, I love you.
Ungithanda lo. Ngizotshela mina uzofaka ubunanzi la. Ha. Hey, ha. Ngijwayela straight. Ungibona la. Alaza ngibona. Loko bazwashaya inkinga. Mangisuka hamba la nami ngitsinza. Phuma phela ngilama kuzokuphashela phela. Mina rasipesa ngiyuphimisa ngizawona ngiyakhahlela. That's it. I'm trying. I'm trying. Post. Uzakala phansi.
Awubafu ngiyexolisa ukuthi angikwazanga ukufika izolo. Ingabe yonke into ihamba kahle?
Ngwenya yakho great man.
Awu indaba bafu.
Kunya think ukuthi ngalo sikhathi uthona nambali ihlukana.
Bafu ungibizela ukuthi uzongithetha inhlwana nentombi yami. Ngithi ngikwenzelani lokho?
Wena ngiyabona Precious nambali. Basijolile. Hey, ene bajwayele bafana abancane le esikoleni.
Bafu bani ukutshela lo msangano? Mfowethu awuthi ngitshela. Bona imbali ngeke yazi le nto mina.
Wait. Mina I caught him right-handed. No, uyati ngisuthi mina ngibabonile.
Wasewenzani bafu?
Bengipenda. Ngathi idlulela mina. Wait. Futhi mina angifuni ukukhuluma ngale nto lena. Hayi. Imagine abantu abana 2 by 2 babambanile. Kissing right in front of my eyes. Imagine that. Hey.
Bona bafu. Mbali kuzombulala. Bayenza kanjani into efana nale kumina? Ngimtshelile amaphupho ami naye. Enza kanjani lo msangano kumina?
Yabona ke mina last night ngivele nje Precious, it's over. Awuthi ufuna usoqona ngathi ufuna kuba nekhe ngathi wena ufuna ukudlala ngami, it's over. Yabona ngwenya yami mina into engayisho kuwena ukuthi let's grow up man. And try man to consider ukuthi man sijole nentanga zethu. Ubona njani?
Sile bafu. Sasangidlala isibhele.
Uyabona ke ngwenya yami le. Umambali nje ngathi uyida kuwe. Wathi ufuna ukukhuluma nawe. Ungamlaleli. Wamlalela utokushaya. Ngiyokutshela ngwenya yami. Ungamlaleli.
Leyo mfowethu. Wena la ngibona khona. Ngivele ngimtshele ukuthi noma ngabe yini besihlanganise siphelile manje.
I know. Ukuthi kubuhlungu ne. Mara be strong way. Be strong wena yami.
Hayi kulungile mfowethu. Ngiyabonga mfowethu ukuthi ungasisile ngale nto. Kodwa sibuye sibonane mfowethu.
Ngwenya. Don't think too much man. Ngicela.
Sure. Hayi khululeka mfowethu.
Ngwenya. Ngiyangena sana. Don't kill yourself.
Sam, ngiyafuna umyalezo wakho and I came as soon as possible. Is everything okay?
Is everything okay? Baliyenza kanjani into efana nale kumina?
What are you talking about?
Yazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani? Balingathela ukukhuluma. Ngifuna uhlale wazi ukuthi uxovile umoya wami.
Intoni?
Phela
Ngikhalile phakathi kwami nawe mbali.
Babe, uthetha ngantoni?
But just leave.
I'm confused. Kwenzeka ntoni?
But just leave. Just leave.
You know what, Sipho? I'll leave. I'll leave, Sipho.
Just leave, man.
Sipho, I'll leave. I'll leave, Sipho.